most Muslims say Muhammad wrote the book.
Yeah, I know this. I know this. People have this concept of idea that people that they think that most of the people think that Muhammad, whatever Muhammad brought this Quran. Where does the Quran say this?
Yeah, well, I don't think it does.
No, the whole book I'm talking about, the whole book is first person plural.
Mm-hmm. I think Muhammad wrote some, didn't he? Didn't he write some?
Where?
I don't know. I'm asking you to.
I'm telling you, this whole book is talking about Jesus, about Abraham, about Noah, about his wife, about Lot, about Solomon, about David, about so many. Nothing is mentioned of Muhammad. No father, no mother, no brother, no sister, no daughter, nothing. No, not even his era's time.
So what is the importance of Muhammad?
He's the messenger of God.
If he's not here, where is Muhammad? What's his message?
This Quran, people say he was a man of history, a man like Jesus, a man like Abraham, a man like this.
Is there a different message than the other prophets?
No, you're not getting the point. This message, I showed you 18 prophets. You read yourself. Muhammad's name was not there.
No, it's not there.
You read yourself.
Why isn't it there?
I'm telling you, this is the revelation of God Almighty. It's not Muhammad's book.
Okay.
If it was Muhammad's book, he would have put his name all the time. That is the difference. When you read the book, it's talking about Jesus.
Why they try to kill Muhammad so many times?
No, nobody did.
No.
In the Quran, nowhere.
Oh.
And they were not even successful.
So they tried to kill him, he had to leave.
You see, the man, there is a difference, I tell you. The man of history that they have projected as a Muhammad is like that you have projected about Jesus.
Really?
This is the book, man made it. Similarly, Muhammad, historical man, is made by man. Quranic Muhammad and Quranic Jesus are totally separate identities. Because they are, similarities can be drawn, but the Quran speaks about Muhammad is different, about Jesus is different, about Moses is different, about Noah is different. But it appears to be, when you think, it's the same story or like that, but you start pondering, like I showed you, that Jesus got the book and the wisdom and the Torah and the Gospel. Can't you see the whole Muslim world doesn't speak? Why is that Jesus? Why are you talking about Jesus got only one Gospel? Because according to Mark, Matthew, Luke and John, they say, believe me, Quran doesn't say that God gave Moses the Torah. There are 136 times his name is mentioned in this book, Moses. And not a single time, mind you, Torah is mentioned 18 times. And not a single time God said we gave Moses the Torah.
Yeah.
So now you people, these Western people are projecting Moses got the Torah, from the first Pentateuch. And they say, I've talked to Jew scholar. I said, where does the Quran say? Because I've never heard this state, what logic you're bringing. I said, you say you are a scholar of Arabic language, you know Arabic language, you are a Hebrew scholar, you have read the Hadith, you have read your books. I'm asking you, where does the Quran say that Moses got the Torah?
I don't guess it does.
No, he said, it is the Pentateuch. I said, no, that's in the Bible. I agree. There is selection level, but the Quran doesn't say.
No, we don't even call it the Pentateuch. The Jews do.
Okay.